I'm here with Tony Carusso, the Managing Director of Mastermyne. Thanks for your time, Tony. One of only two services companies represented at Noosa this year, but obviously here for a reason. Great to see you. Perhaps tell us a little bit about Mastermyne.
So Mastermyne Group of Companies is a mining services contractor, predominantly focused on coal at the moment, but looking to expand into the metals market as well. About 1,000 people working across Queensland and New South Wales and focused on the underground market. So been there about 25 years and have developed quite a strong business and market share in that underground coal space, Tom.
Terrific. Obviously a long operating history, successful history there. Coal's a little bit underrepresented in the market at the moment. It struggles with investors, but tell us about the opportunities that you're seeing in your business, having been around for that long.
Yeah, look, it absolutely is being underrepresented, and I think there is some headwinds with coal companies at the moment. But what we're seeing is still very strong demand for coking coal, and the fundamentals for coking coal remain very strong. And we're seeing some really interesting dynamics play out in the marketplace, particularly in the underground marketplace, where a lot of junior miners and second tier mining companies are now acquiring assets and looking for contractors to develop those assets. So, from an investor point of view, mining services companies that are developing those mines on behalf of the assets owners, I think represent really good value, and that's the space that Mastermyne's playing in.
Terrific, Tony. And just finally, what's on the horizon for Mastermyne? What's the next catalyst investors should look for?
Yeah, look, our sort of expansion has been sort of two-phased. We've had the contracting business for 25 years, but we've moved into this, what we call whole of mine, where we operate the mine on behalf of the asset owner. So that's been one part of our strategy. And we just landed the Crinum project up in central Queensland, which is a $670 million contract over 6 years for Sojitz, so mining coal for Sojitz. And there's a few more of those coming down the pipeline. So that's certainly one part of the strategy for expansion. But the second part is moving into the metalliferous space as well. So, being an underground contractor, we're looking to move into that underground metal space. That'll give us a bit of that commodity diversification and a bit of counter-cyclic exposure, from coal. So that's definitely where we're headed, Tom.
Terrific. Tony, thanks for the update and thanks for your time.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Tom.